Hey guys, so we got one of our first house guests came in. It's one of my oldest friends from design school, Mr. Jake Miller.
How's it going, guys?
Tell them a little bit about you, what you're doing, what you're up to.
Well, here in Scottsdale, I'm an influencer for real estate. So if you're looking to buy a property in the 480, hit me up. I'm your guy. I'll get you the best deal. No questions asked.
You heard it from the man himself. So today we're gonna go check out the office and I'll keep you guys posted, let you know if there's anything activities going on this Saturday. So it's Saturday, we've been working in the office. Time to get some food. Going to one of my favorite pizza spots, Venezia's. They also have amazing wings. And look who we have here.
Yo. Happy to go. Yeah, happy to go to spot DC put me on to. Best pizza around the area. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, so if you guys are ever in Tempe, Arizona, make sure you go check this out. About to get some pizza and wings. I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Hopefully they got my favorite pizza out there, and let's find out. So some good news, they have my favorite pizza here, the barbecue chicken. I kid you not, it is one of the best pizzas that I've had in a while. And they have a special here where you get the slice of pizza and you get the wings, get a drink. What did you get, Ray?
I'm a more simpler guy, just got regular pepperoni, but it's my favorite. Can't wait to eat it.
We'll try to give you guys a sneak peek when we get it, bringing it back to the office, putting in some more time. So let's get it. Happy Sunday. We out here at one of our favorite spots called Hertz Donuts. You guys will learn that Abby is a big donut fan. Super excited.
Best donuts in Tempe.
So hopefully we get some, see what they got, give you guys a checkout tour. So we secured the box.
We got the goods.
Can't wait to share with you guys. Let us know what you think. So we have Abby in the office today, and we're about to do a little shoot for her fitness stuff. So come check it out.
Exactly. No, you're fine. You just don't change your plane, right? So don't go like forward a little bit back, or
But which way am I facing?
Oh, you're facing this direction, right?
So we got my man's Devon.
Yes, sir. We'll start shooting.
We got Abby.
Hey.
Oh, let's get this good.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's just at a higher elevation. It'd be the same one as. So maybe. Maybe standing dead bench 10.
Damn.
He keeps laughing at me because.
No, don't put this on me. Don't put this on me. What's this?
Hey.
What are you guys working on?
Presentation.
Yep. About to close some more deals this week. We're making a presentation for one of our clients to hopefully show them that we understand what their goals are and what we can do to help them achieve that.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah.
Most people, they only see the deal closed on IG, but a lot of times it takes a lot of prep work first and hours and hours of brainstorming before you're doing that.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
So I just had to share this with you guys. I was just looking up an address on Google Maps, and lo and behold, guess the neighbor wasn't too happy seeing Google driving down the street.
Stop it.
Cat and all.